Hey everyone, this is my new ILG industrial box fan. It's an ILGJet UA-205, catalog number 1554, and it has an 18-inch blade. This particular fan features a heavy-duty ball bearing motor and a venturi shroud. It was actually a real heavy-duty fly fan that was in service at a school, and it got taken down by the guy I brought this from. The ball bearings on it do need replacement, and we'll take care of this in a future video. So we'll take a quick look at this one, and I'll show you things like the switch plate here. You can see all the information that the fan has. The ILG badge, of course, with the waffle grill and the front motor mount. Now the paint on this fan is rather rough, so I'm considering doing a color change to Ivory, since ILG did offer these in that color. I also plan to acquire a carry handle, switch knob, and rubber feet. Now the speeds on this fan are controlled by a choke coil inside this box, which is under the switch. And what we'll do now is take a look around the fan, so we'll take a look at the side. Nothing really much to see there. You can see the knockout where this thing was mounted. We'll switch over and take a look at the back of it now. And the blade on this thing is in really good shape, and it seems to be in pretty good balance as well. We'll now switch around here and get back to the front view, and then as soon as we get it kind of played around into the center of the camera here, which will just take a little bit of a time here. That's kind of why I want to put a carry handle on this thing, is just so it's easier to actually use as a portable fan. And what we'll do now is give a demonstration of this fan and run through the speeds. So here's high, and running, this thing is noisy. And we'll take it down to medium. And we'll go down to low. Now, if it weren't for all that bearing noise, low would be a very pleasant, quiet speed to use on this one. And we'll bring it back up to high. to shut it off to show the coastline. So yeah, this fan's going to need some work done to it. With that, I hope that you enjoyed seeing this old ILG. We will be doing some subsequent work on it, and there will be follow-ups, such as replacing the ball bearings and getting everything all sorted out with this thing as far as a carry handle and maybe some feet go. And maybe a color change is in the works for this thing. I don't really know. Anyhow, we will have more to come on this one and others, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.